How to download Instagram Reels video in high quality. Save Reels to Gallery. 2026 Guide. Want to save high-quality Reels from Instagram directly to your gallery? Here are the easiest and safest methods. Method 1. Save your own Reels in original quality. If the Reel is uploaded by you. Step 1. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Step 2. Open your Reel. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots. Step 4. Tap Save to Device. Your Reel will download in high quality without watermark, if enabled in Settings. Method 2. Download Reels using the Share link. If the Reel is from another public account. Step 1. Open the Reel you want to download. Step 2. Tap the Share icon. Tap Copy link. Step 3. Open any browser and search for a Reels downloader website. Step 4. Paste the link and tap Download. The video will be saved to your gallery. Fix low-quality downloads. Important. If your downloaded Reel looks blurry, use a strong internet connection. Make sure the original Reel is uploaded in high quality. Turn on high-quality uploads in Instagram Settings, Profile, Settings, Data Usage, and Enable Upload at highest quality. Important note: you can only download public Reels. Private account content cannot be downloaded without permission. Avoid unknown apps to keep your account safe. Quick summary: open Reel, copy link, paste in downloader, save to gallery. That's it. You can now download Instagram